Hi guys, I'm assuming you have your partner by now and you're getting ready to make your own fake what's up messages. So the first thing you are going to do is you're going to click on this link. Now sometimes it'll highlight it in blue or sometimes you have to highlight it yourself. Then you're going to double tap your touch board and go to, this is where you're going to click. It is going to pull up the fake what's up chat to where you can make these, and that is so awesome. So then we are going to look at how to work this website. So first you can change the name. Let's say I'm going to do the Sam and Billy scene. So in Sam's case, he did not know Billy. So it was unknown. Now I automatically change it down here. Now let's say I wanted to change the time. Right now it says 9:41. I'm going to click up here and change it to 10 p.m. at night. It automatically changed it. You don't have to change all these things if you don't want to, but they're definitely things you can play around with. You can change the battery option. Right now it's on 50. Change it to 85. You can change the connection, but the most important part is going to be the messages. So you have two options for messages. As you can see down here, it's green and gray. So you're going to pick two people. So in this case, I'm going to use Billy and Sam. So I'm going to say Billy is gray and Sam is green. It's important to remember this, so you might want to write it down somewhere that you can look at later. So first is Billy. He says, "Hi, my name is Billy," in gray. So I'm going to add that to the conversation. If you want to make sure it's added right, all you have to do is scroll down and it shows up right here. And then Sam says, "Hi, my name is Sam." So then to change it to where it'll show up as green, you hit the green bubble and it'll turn to green. You hit add to conversation. Scroll down and it's right there. So then Billy asks, "Where do you live?" And change it to gray, add it to conversation. And then Sam says, 120, 123 Apple Street. Now we're going to change this to green and add it down here. We can scroll down to make sure it's doing it right. And it is. So far we have not messed up. So let's say we forget to change it over and we add it and we scroll down and we're like, oh no, that was supposed to be green. All you have to do is hit this little trash can and it deletes it. No big deal. You do not have to start all the way over. I want to stress to you that it's so important you do not use your real information. Even though we're making this just for fun, you can name a street Monkey Zoo or Banana Pudding. Or if he asks your age, you could say, "I am 768.3 years old." You can say whatever you want, just make sure it's not your actual information. That's so important. So then after you do this and you've completed all of it, you are going to screenshot it on your iPad. And how you do that is you do the lock button and the increase volume button at the same time and it'll screenshot it. On here, it's going to be this one and this one up here at the same time. If you're using the computer, you hit download image, it'll pull up, and then you click on it, save image as, and you save it as your name. So for me, I'm going to do Billy and Sam. Save. And then it'll be on my computer, so when we go over it in class, it will always be there for you. Remember, if you have any questions, all you have to do is ask me, and to have fun. I cannot wait to see what you come up with, guys. Good luck!